Sometimes little accidents happen and may need a simple cover-up, not a trip to the emergency room. That's why it is important to have a first aid kit to cover up these little mishaps. No matter the size, big or small, first aid kits are always useful to have with you in your house, apartment, or dorm, and even in a car or vehicle. Many contain a variety of bandages for cuts and wounds, along with antiseptic ointment and over-the-counter medicine for aches and pain. Majority of first aid kits consist of the following: bandages, which are used for minor, small cuts; gauze rolls, which is used to help stop bleeding and to keep wounds clean, especially for medium-sized cuts, burns, and scrapes; elastic bandages that help reduce the blood flow to an injured area and to help limit swelling, as well as used to stabilize splints; adhesive tape, which is used to hold gauze pads and bandages over wounds to prevent infection; disposable gloves; antiseptic wipes, which are used to help clean the wounds; and an instant cold pack to help with bruises and swelling. First aid kits can come in all sizes, even small travel-sized ones that are available to have in a bag. Larger kits may contain more items such as emergency blankets, masks, and more. Most first aid kits have an instruction booklet and a manual to make sure that you know how to use the products inside. When storing a first aid kit, it is important to make sure that they are kept in a cool, dry place and out of reach of kids. It is also important to regularly check the items in the kit for expiration dates. To get yourself started, stop by McKinley Health Center to pick up your wound pack.